Hi, I'm Tony Levy, Customer Support Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. Today I want to talk to you about preventative maintenance and annual audits on your screens. With constant manpower shortages, it's becoming increasingly difficult for preventative maintenance. This is where a Lyco audit on your screen can not only save you money, but also prevent valuable downtime. An audit is scheduled at a time when it is convenient for you and your team. We come on site to thoroughly inspect your screen, answer questions, and if needed, train maintenance personnel on how to change a trunnion, chain, or thrust wheel. We will review the findings with you before leaving and follow up with a complete report. The report is broken down into 3 areas: items that need immediate attention, items that you should monitor, and repairs that can be done over time at your convenience. All with the goal of helping get you back on a preventative maintenance program, eliminating costly breakdowns. We take servicing and supporting our customers seriously and are committed to keeping you running. To schedule an audit, give me a call at 920-623-4152 and ask for Tony, or email me at tony.lieggi@lycomfg.com.